Hello students, how are you all? Fine? Yes. Now, last time we have started the indefinite integral, right? We have seen some rules, definitions and some example of it. Now we'll go ahead with some more examples, more sums of the definite integral. You all know that all the rules for the definite integral is same as the indefinite integral. Indefinite integral के जैसे ही है. You just put the limit and find the answer. That's it. So we have started the exercise 7.9. Now, exercise 7.9, the question number 9 we have done. Then question number 10 is, we'll start with the question number 10. Integration 0 to 1 dx upon 1 plus x square. That is equal to, this is the formula a square plus x square. That is tan inverse. 1 upon a is there. So here it is tan inverse x. 0 to 1. But if you apply the limit, it is tan inverse 1 minus tan inverse 0. 1 is 10 pi by 4. So tan inverse 1 is pi by 4 minus 0. So our answer is pi by 4. This is all MCQ type. That is 1 mark question is there. Then the question number 11 is integration 2 to 3 dx upon x square minus 1. Now what to do here? X square minus 1 is integration 2 to 3 dx. Here x minus 1, x plus 1. You know this method now, it is a upon and b upon, right? Yes. So here I will write 1 upon x minus 1, x plus 1 is equal to, yes. So it is 1 is equal to here a upon and b upon plus b x minus 1. Now you can write here, it is x is equal to minus 1 if you take. So 1 is equal to, this term will become 0, minus 1 minus 2b. So b is equal to minus 1 by 2. Then x is equal to 1 if you take. Here 1. 1 minus 1, 0. This term will become 0. Here it is 1 plus 1, 2. Implies a equal to 1 by 2. Now we will put this value of a and b over here and write it in the integration. So here it is integration 2 to 3. Now a upon, from this, the value of this is here a upon x minus 1. But what is a? 1 by 2. So I will take 1 by 2, 1 upon x minus 1 dx plus b upon x plus 1. b is minus 1 by 2. So plus minus 1 by 2 integration 2 to 3x plus 1 dx. Now 1 by 2, here it is log mod x minus 1. Minus 1 by 2, here it is log mod x plus 1, 2 to 3. Right? Now if we apply the limit, what is it? Here it is equal to 1 by 2. Log 3 minus 1 is 2. Minus 2 minus 1, 1. Minus 1 by 2. Log 3 plus 1, log 2 plus 1. So 1 by 2, log 2, log 1 will become 0. Minus 1 by 2, log 4 by 3. Now can you take this 1 by 2 common? Yes. So 1 by 2, log 2 minus log 4 by 3. We will take here log 2 upon 4 by 3. So 3 2s are 4. So 3 by 2. 1 by 2 log 3 by 2 is our answer. You understand this? Yes. Then do it. Then we'll go ahead with the question number 12. This method is same. You know that. We just apply the limit and simplify. This is the extract. So do it. This is question number 11. Then we'll go ahead. Now, question number 12. So, question number 12 is 0 to pi by 2. It is cos square x. Yes. You all knows wherever it is a square, what to do is we have to remove the square by using the trigonometric identity. So here integration 0 to pi by 2, 1 plus cos 2x by 2 dx. Yes or no? Yes. 2 cos square x is 1 plus cos 2x. So here 1 plus cos 2x by 2. 1 by 2 will take outside. 0 to pi by 2 cos 2x dx. 1 by 2. Now if we find the integration 1x cos 2x, the integration is sin 2x by 2. So here it is sin 2x, the coefficient of x is 2. Therefore, divide by 2. Here pi by 2. So now 1 by 2 x, that is pi by 2 plus sin pi by 2. 2 cancel. It is sin pi by 2 minus 1 by 2. This is 0. Sin 0 is again 0. So here we can say that 1 by 2 into pi by 2, sin pi is again 0. And this will be the 0. So the answer is pi by 4. Right? Here is pi by 4. This is question number 12. Now we'll go ahead with the question number 13 is question number 13. Integration 2 to 3 x dx upon x square plus 1. Now by the question, can you imagine what to do is, yes, x square is given and here is x. So if you multiply and divide by 2, then you can do it directly. What is it? That is 2 to 3. Here is 1 by 2, 2x dx upon x square plus 1. So here it is, what is given that? If you take x square plus 1 is t, then this is 2x dx dt. So let x square plus 1 is t, 2x dx dt. Now you can also change the limit. So here whenever it is 2, so x square when x is equal to 2. So here 4 plus 1, then t is equal to 5. X is equal to 3, then t is equal to 10. 3 square plus 1, that is 10. So now here if you write 1 by 2, 2 to 3, instead of 2 to 3 I will write 5 to 10. 2x dx is dt and x square plus 1 is t. So 1 by 2, the integration is log mod t, 5 to 10. Now if you don't want to change this limit, so first you have to write this x square plus 1 and then apply the limit. You replace the value of t and then apply the limit. But I will change the limit. So now there is no replacement. Original value रखने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है. And that's why 1 by 2 log 10 minus log 5. And that is equal to log 10 by 5, that is 1 by 2 log 2 is our answer. So if you change the limit, that is don't replace the value of t with the original value. If you don't change the limit, it is 2 to 3 only, then you have to first write the original x square plus 1 and then apply the limit. So both the way you can do it, right? But whenever I will substitute that x is t, then I will change the limit. That is the easy way, because sometimes we forget to replace and directly apply the limit, then it will be wrong. Understood? Yes. So this is question number 13. Now we'll go ahead with the question number 14. Before that, you do this. Now the question number 14 is here. Integration 0 to 1. Integration 0 to 1. Here 2x plus 3 upon 5x square plus 1 dx is equal to 0 to 1. Now you know this method. Here is, if we want to take 5x square is equal to 5x square plus 1 is 3, then its derivative is 10x. So here you want to adjust the term with the 10x. हमने ax plus b वाली method की थी, right? वही method है. But whenever it is the simple term, we can adjust the term directly. Because here is 5x square plus 1. Then you know that d by dx of यहाँ पे आना चाहिए. So here 5x square है. So here 10x. Now अगर मुझे यहाँ 10 चाहिए तो I have to multiply this term by 5. Yes or no? So मैं 1 by 5 से multiply and divide कर देती हूँ. Then 1 by 5 0 to 1. This is 10x plus 15. So here 10x upon 5x square plus 1 dx. Plus 1 by 5, this 15 outside, integration 1 upon 5x square plus 1 dx. So 0 to 1 is the limit. What I have done, नीचे 5x square plus 1 है, उसकी डेरिवेटिव 10x होती है. So I have here 10x. So मैंने 10x लिख दिया. So that means मुझे 5 से multiply and divide करना पड़ेगा to set the terms. So I have divided by 5, multiply by 5 is this. Then separate the integration. Now you know that 1 upon 5, whenever here, if you take this t, it is 1 upon t. So you can write directly log mod में हमने बात की थी कि whenever it is the derivative जब ऊपर होती है, so we can write direct method, that is direct answer, log mod 5x square plus 1 0 to 1. We can write this directly, right? Yes. Plus 1 upon 5. So it is only 3. But here it is 1 upon 5x square. So I want to, whether you divide it after integration or you can take it common. So I will take this common 5. So upon 5 0 to 1. X square plus 1 upon 5 dx. Here 1 upon 5 log mod 5x square plus 1 plus 3 upon 5. You know that is a x square plus a square. And this is 1 upon root 5 square. So we can say that 3 upon 5. Now tan inverse. So 1 upon a. 1 upon root 5. Tan inverse x by a. 0 to 1. So ऊपर जाएगा root 5. It is 3 by root 5. Log. When we will write 1, 5 plus 1, 6. Minus log 1. Then we write 0. Plus ऊपर जाएगा नीचे कट होगा root 5 3 by root 5 tan inverse root 5x. So it is, when you write 1, it is root 5 minus tan inverse 0. Tan inverse 0 is 0. Log 1 is 0. So 1 upon 5, our answer is log 6 plus 3 upon root 5. Tan inverse root 5. This is the answer. You understand this? Yes. So here what I have done? I have set the numerator by multiply 5 and divide 5. Why I had multiply? Because इसकी डेरिवेटिव 10x होती है. So I want that. So मैंने 10x लाने के लिए 5 से multiply and divide कर दिया. Then separate the integration and write this. Okay? So do it. Then we'll go ahead with the question number 15. Okay. So now the question number 15 is question number 15 has 0 to 1. Here is integration 0 to 1 x e raised to x square dx. Now can you imagine what to do is, here is two function, but e raised to x square is there. So whenever you will take x square is equal to t, then 2x dx dt हो जाएगा. So integration by parts करने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी. So now we will take let x square is equal to t. 2x dx is equal to dt. So x dx is 1 by 2 dt. Now whenever x equal to 0, so t is also 0. You just put the value of x here and change the value of t. Then when x equal to 1, t is 1. So remains same. अगर आप ये करना भूल जाएंगे तो you have to replace that with the original value. अगर वो भी नहीं किया तो answer will be wrong. So don't forget to change the limit. Then integration, instead of 0 to 1 it remains same, 0 to 1. X dx 1 by 2 dt. E raised to x square is e raised to t dt. Now the integration e raised to t 0 to 1. So e raised to 1 minus e raised to 0. So e minus 1 is our answer. It's simple. That is question number 15 is there. Now question number 16 will go ahead. Integration of 1 to 2 5x square upon x square plus 4x plus 3 dx. Okay, now you know what is this method is? Yes, first of all x square and x square is same. It is improper, right? So you have to divide it and then completely into the proper form pehle lana padega. So here it is. You will just divide this 5x square by x square plus 4x plus 3. So it is multiply by 5. Here 5x square plus 5 4s are 20 plus 15. Change the sign. Minus 20x minus 15. So now integration 1 to 2. Here 5 minus I will take here 20x plus 15 upon I will write this one is x square plus 4x plus 3 dx. Yes or no? Right? If you multiply this is 5x square plus 20x plus 15 minus 20x minus 15. So again you will get this one only. That we have set the terms. Now integration 1 to 2 5 dx minus integration 1 to 2. Now you can set the terms. How to set the terms? First you take this 5 common from here. So 4x plus 3 x square plus 4x plus 3 dx. Now you just tell me what is the derivative of the denominator is. What is the derivative? Here First term we'll write as it is. Minus 5, 1 to 2. We have to set the numerator. So the derivative is, yes, 2x plus 4. So I just write here 2x plus 4. But it is a 4x. So what to do is 2 say multiply. So it is 2 into 2x plus 4. Just a minute. I will write here it is equal to 0 to 1 dx minus 5 1 to 2. Now here is 2 into 2x plus 4. Why I write this? 2x plus 4 मैंने कहाँ से लिया? यहाँ से. The derivative of the denominator is 2x plus 4. ऊपर देखो 4x है, so I just multiply by 2. That is 2 into 2x is 4x plus 4 2s are 8. But here it is 3. So I have to subtract 5. Set the terms directly. Without ax plus b करने की बजाय अब हम direct set कर सकते हैं, right? So here 4x plus 8 minus 5 is 3. So 4x plus 3 we will get upon x square plus 4x plus 3 dx. 0 to 1 dx, 5 2s are 10, 1 to 2, 2x plus 4 upon x square plus 4x plus 3 dx, minus plus 25. Here it is 1 to 2, 1 upon, here I will write x plus 3x plus 1 dx. Yes or no? Right? Can you write like this? Tell me yes or no. यहाँ पे ये -5 कॉमन और इसका मैंने फैक्टराइज कर दिया a plus b वाला फॉर्म लेने के लिए. Right? Yes. So now this is the integration. One का integration होगा x 10. This is the function. इसका ऊपर डेरिवेटिव है. So if you do the substitution method, you will get log mod of this. So I will write log mod x square plus 4x plus 3. This is 0 to 1. And now here is, this is 25 I1. Where we want to find this I1. 1 to 2. 1 upon x plus 3. X plus 1 dx. So x plus 3 x plus 1. A upon x plus 3 and b upon x plus 1. So it is like this. You know this method. Now find the value of a and b by taking x equal to -1 and x equal to -3. So I will get x equal to -1. So this a is 0. So b is equal to 1. Here -1. So 2. That is 1 by 2. Now here -3. So this will 0. -3 plus 1 -2. So a is equal to -1 by 2. Now we'll write this value. I1 is 1 to 2. Here integration of this a. A is -1 by 2. 1 upon x plus 3 dx. Plus 1 by 2 integration 1 to 2 x plus 1 dx. Right? That is equal to -1 by 2 log mod x plus 3 plus 1 by 2 log mod x plus 1 limit 1 to 2. Right? Okay. Now we'll write this value and then whole limit we will apply. So that here 1 minus 0. This is easier. Minus 10. If you apply 1, log 1 plus 4, 5 plus 3, 8. If you apply 0, minus log 3, this will be 0. Yes? Then we'll apply plus 25. Now this I1. Here if we simplify this I1 is, the limit is same. So minus 1 by 2 and plus 1 by 2. So I will take this 1 by 2 outside. Here I will take log mod x plus 1 upon x plus 3. Here limit 1 to 2. Yes or no? Just simplify it. This is minus. So I will take this 1 by 2 common. This upon this limit 1 by 2. So that is 1 minus 10 log 8 by 3, 25 by 2 log mod. Here 2 plus 1 through 3 by 5. Minus here 1 plus 1 2 by 4. So 1 minus log 10 8 by 3, 25 by 2 log mod 3 by 5, 25 by 2 log mod 1 by 2. Just remain as it is. No need to simplify anything. There is no marks for the simplification. This is the answer. That's it. You understand this? Yes. So do it. Then we'll go ahead with the next sum. Okay. So now this is the question number 17 is. So here is we can separate the integration. Yes? Yes. So here 2 integration 0 to pi by 4 sec square x dx plus 0 to pi by 4 x cube dx 0 to pi by 4 dx. So 2 integration of sec square x is 10x plus x raised to 4 by 4. Yes, the integration of x cube is x raised to 4 by 4 plus 2x, integration of 1 is x, 0 to pi by 4. So it is 2. When you apply the limit, it is 10 pi by 4 minus 10, 0. Plus 1 by 4, it is x raised to 4. So pi raised to 4 by 60. Okay, we'll write like this only. Pi by 4 raised to 4, and whenever you apply 0, okay, 1 by 4 we have to take outside, sorry. So it is 1 by 4 x raised to. So apply the limit pi by 4 raised to 4. Instead of x, I will write this. Plus 2 pi by 4 minus 0. So what is the answer now? This is 1, this is 0. So 2 plus 1 by 4 into pi by 4 raised to 4 plus pi by 2. That is the answer. Yes? So this is question number 17. Okay, do it. Okay. So here you can also simplify, that is pi raised to 4 upon whatever is 4 raised to 5 is, and then pi by 2. Or if not simplified, then it is okay. Right? Yes. So this is our question number 17. Then we'll go ahead with the question number 18. Question number 18 is 0 to pi in the bracket sin square x by 2 minus cos square x by 2 dx. So 0 to pi sin square x by 2 minus cos square x by 2 is, you know that this is the formula of cos 2x, but it is reverse. So take minus common. Therefore, this is the formula of minus cos x. It is x by 2. So we will take x. So minus cos x 0 to pi. Then apply the limit. Cos pi minus cos 0. Cos pi minus 1, cos 0, 1. Minus 2 minus minus plus. Be careful about the sign. Right? Yes. This is question number 18. Now we'll go ahead with the question number 19 is integration 0 to 2 6x plus 3 upon x square plus 4 dx. Here also you have to set the numerator, but what we will do before we set the numerator, we'll just separate the denominator. So it becomes easy to set the terms. Now, this is x square plus 4. Its derivative is 2x. So just take the 3 common from here. So 6x here, then it is 2x x square plus 4 dx. Here 3 common. So now you can apply the formula here. You can take this substitution method here. But there is no need to substitute anything. We can write the direct answer. क्योंकि here it is function, ऊपर उसकी derivative है. So we can write log mod, right? बहुत बार आया है ये. So log mod x square plus 4 0 to 2 plus 3. This is the formula of x square plus 2 square. This is the formula of tan inverse. So 1 upon a. A is 3 by 2. X by 2. 0 to 2. That is 3. When you apply 2, 4 plus 4, 8. Log 0 plus 4, 4. Plus 3 by 2, tan inverse 2 by 2, 1 minus tan inverse 0 by 2, 0. So this is log 8 by log 4 is log 2. So 3 log 2 plus 3 by 2, tan inverse 1 is 5 by 4. So our answer is 3 log 2. You can also write log 8, 2 cube. So we can write like this also, log 8 plus 3 pi by 8 is our answer. Understood everyone? Yes. So now we'll go ahead. This is our question number 19. Then question 20 is, now the question number 20 is 0 to 1 x ex plus sin pi x by 4 dx. These are the addition of two functions. So we just separate the integration first. Here it is 0 to 1 x e raised to x dx, 0 to 1 sin pi x by 4 dx is equal to, you know, this is u into v, x e raised to x we can find by integration by parts. So this is u and this is v, algebraic and exponential function. Now u constant, then integration of v, here we'll write the limit, minus 0 to 1 d by dx of u is 1 into integration of e raised to x is e raised to x dx plus, now the sign integration is minus cos, therefore minus cos pi x by 4, but the coefficient of x is pi by 4, so you have to divide it by pi by 4, 0 to 1. You know this is integration by parts, u constant integration of v minus integration of d by dx of this u, that is 1, integration of v, that is e raised to x. So I have written directly, right? Okay. So when you apply the limit 1 e raised to 1, that is e minus 0. Here e raised to x only, minus this 4 upon pi constant, cos when you apply 1 it is pi by 4 minus cos 0. So e minus, this is e raised to 1 minus e raised to 0, minus 4 upon pi cos pi by 4, 1 by root 2 cos 0 1. This e cancel. E raised to 0, 1. So here minus minus plus 1 minus 4 by root 2 pi plus 4 by pi. Or you can write the same thing here. That is the answer now. No need to simplify anything. So this is our question number 20 is there. This is question number 20. Now 21 and 22 is MCQ. So this 21 is, this is just of 1 mark question, keep in mind. Here it is integration 1 to root 3 dx upon 1 plus x square. So this is the formula of tan inverse, right? Yes. So we can say it is tan inverse x1 to root 3. So if you apply the limit tan inverse root 3 minus tan inverse 1, what is tan inverse root 3? It is pi by 3. So tan inverse 1, pi by 4. 4 pi minus 3 pi, that is the answer is pi by 12. So D option is correct. And the question number 22 is, here the next integration 0 to 2 by 3 dx upon 4 plus 9x square. So this is also the formula, but here is 9x square. So what to do is, you just common it, take it common. So 1 upon 9 0 to 2 by 3 dx upon x square plus 4 by 9. Yes or no? I have take this 9 common. Therefore 1 upon 9 tan inverse x by a. So 1 upon a tan inverse x by a. What is 1 upon a? Is 1 upon 4 by 9. So I will write here 9 by 4. Tan inverse x by, a is 2 by 3. It is 1 upon 9, 3 by 2, tan inverse x upon 2 by 3. This is the square. Yes or no? This is square of 2 by 3. So 1 upon a, x by a. Now 1 upon 6, tan inverse 3x by 2. And this is 2 by 3 to 0. So when you apply the limit, tan inverse x is 2 by 3. So it is cancel and 1. 3 by 2 into 2 by 3 cancel. Minus tan inverse 0. So tan inverse 1 is pi by 4. So 1 by 6 pi by 4 minus 0. That is pi by 24. Is our option. That is C option is correct in this. So be careful. Whenever it is given the coefficient of x square, you have to take it common and then do it. Understand everyone? Yes. So here is the end of this exercise 7.9 of the definite integration. Now we will go ahead with some more sums of definite integration with another criteria, but in the next time. So take care, stay safe, stay at home, and do this sums very thoroughly. I have already told you this is very important for the Gujarat State Board. Highest calculus में highest integration पूछा जाता है. So be careful and do it thoroughly. Right? Then in the next lecture, for the few days, I have some emergency. So I cannot take the online classes, my dear students, and therefore I will send you these videos. So cooperate with me, and after that we'll do the online class after 1 week or all. Then again we will start the online classes. Till then you have to see this video thoroughly and do the sums. In the weekend I will give you some extra sums to do it. Then also you have to do it and send me to the homework. send to me, right? Okay then, bye everyone. Be careful for that.